Hi everyone, it's great to be with you again. I hope you're all safe and well. And thank you for taking the time to watch this short video on meaningful jobs. Meaningful jobs are a wonderful way to get children to learn about being of service to others. So this is helpful not just in the classroom, but it also is a great skill to build for at home. So when we are being of service to others, we get that feel-good emotion about it. It helps us to learn to cooperate and to be connected and certainly to contribute to the benefit of others. So the meaningful job should be something that is either helping the classroom move along in its day, helping it to run smoother, and the same as the family job, something that's helping the family. So let's look at some of the benefits of meaningful jobs at home or at school. Okay, the first is that it teaches the child that they matter. Of course, when you are depending on someone for a job, this is building their self-esteem and their contribution is noticed. The second benefit also is that it triggers the child's brain with what we talked about earlier, those feel-good hormones and chemicals, and it actually helps their brain be more alert. It also encourages child to connect and to cooperate and to contribute. And it prepares for academic gains. When your brain is more alert, you are also more open to the learning process. And it builds responsibility and self-esteem. When you've done a job and you've been able to complete a job, it certainly makes us feel good about ourselves. And, of course, it's helpful. And we're learning about good time management skills. So these are just a few of the benefits that come from meaningful jobs with young children and with older children. This is not just for young children, but it certainly should start with young children. So we're going to look at some school jobs that would be helpful. So this certainly is just a list of helpful suggestions. It is not the only list, but teachers, what you should be doing is thinking about your day and all the things that you can give to your children that would be helpful to you. And it would also be a meaningful job. And notice on the list, there are a few social emotional jobs like the kindness recorder. Have children, that should be a job where someone's going around paying attention to the acts of kindness. Also, you can see the greeting job. That's welcoming someone every day. So these are certainly not the only jobs in a classroom, but these are some helpful suggestions. And so we also have some helpful job suggestions for home. Okay, and again, these are just a few. Certainly you can add your own, and it would certainly be up to the age of the child. Certainly very young children couldn't vacuum and things like that, but it establishes some helpfulness, and the job should be experienced by everyone, and this is going to create a very well organized and hopefully a very cooperative environment for young children, whether they're at school or whether they're at home. Now, if teachers, those of you that have seen the Conscious Discipline Job Board, it looks something like this. And there are lots of different jobs, greeters, line holders, and you can look through. Every child in the class should have a job. And then that job is going to rotate daily. And you can see that we have added their picture just to the tip of a little clothespin. and so that the child can easily put that on top of the job. And so when they come to school, they move it over one, and that too is something that encourages helpfulness. And so your job board could be something very, very dramatic like this, or for those of us that have different creations, maybe you just want to make it simplified. Maybe there's a specific number of children that you have in your class and the number of jobs. These library card holders are a great way to make a simple job board. And for parents, for those of you at home that don't necessarily have all the tools that a classroom teacher would, you could just simply write up what those jobs are. You might want to draw pictures next to what those are cutouts and pictures of a child making a bed or a child washing their hands, and so that your very young children can see what their jobs are, and they have a visual reminder. So having meaningful jobs is a wonderful way. It's a skill that we're teaching children that is encouraging helpfulness, and hopefully it helps your classroom or your home run smoother and more productively. I hope you've enjoyed this short video. Have a great day. Bye now.